So we are starting with the next question. Here we have to inscribe 4 circles in a given regular square in such a way that each circle will touch one side of a square and 2 other circles. So first we will start constructing a square. Its sides are given 8 cm long. So all sides are equal in square. So we will start with the square. So here I am making a line little bit long. And on that I will mark 8 cm. Mark dots like this. Then I will make a perpendicular bisector, or you can use your protractor also. You can follow any. Make a long line here. Now on that you can mark 8 cm. Join it. Just check all the side measurements before you move forward. If there is any difference in measures, you can correct that before you move forward, so that you will get the construction perfect. So we have got 8 cm side square. Now I will just erase the extra line. Now we have to take the exact center of all the sides, that is 4 cm. Mark the dots. Connect the dots. You can make these lines little bit light, as these are just for reference. Make it little bit light, not that dark. Connect the ends also, corners. Just check that they are going through the center dot. Same here. Now after this we have to take this angle. Before that we will just give the names. Center point will be O. Now we will take these also, give the name. Now I will take angle B. This one, take a rounder, bisect it. Mark the point. Do it very carefully. No need to rush while doing this. Avoid erasing. Now we have to take, let's give a name. We have to take O and R as a radius and we have to make a circle. Take a rounder. Like this. Now we have to take R and N as a radius and we have to make a circle. Now here you can see the circle is touching both the lines over here. In the same way we will complete next circles. Similarly, complete all other circles and give them the names. And don't forget to write the measurements on all sides. 8 centimeter. Now moving on to the next 15th question. Now let's see the question. We have to inscribe a circle in a sector with an angle of 36 degrees and a radius 5 centimeter to touch both the arms and the arc. So we'll first make a line. You can make a line of any measurement. Take protector, marker dot and take 36 degrees in this. Add a line. Now bisect this angle. Mark the point. Now we have 5 centimeter. So you have to take 5 centimeter in your rounder. Place it here and make an arc of 5 like this. Then take a rounder, place it over here, mark 2 arcs on sides, make a perpendicular bisector. Like this. We have got the points here, mark it. You will get a line like this. Now Now we have this angle here. We will bisect it so that we will get a center point somewhere here. Then we will take a radius of it and we will make a circle. Make a line. Now here we have got a point, but we need some radius for that. Now I am placing here, mark arcs down like this. Here we have got a point, connect it. Now this is going to be the radius. Let's first give the name. So that it will be easy. Now I am going to take G and H as a radius. And make a circle. So here we have got a circle touching these two sides of an angle, and here we have an angle of 36, so write that 36 degree. No need to write that 5 centimeter. So in this way it's done. Question number 15. Let's move on to the next. Next is also quite similar. We have to draw a circle of radius 2 centimeter to touch two converging lines. Let's see, we have to draw a circle of radius 2 centimeter touching both the sides of arm of an angle 30 degrees. So previous the question the angle was 36. Now we have to create an angle of 30 degree in the same way, but here the radius is given. Let's see. I will take a line of any centimeter. Then we have to make an angle of 30. So mark a dot anywhere on that line and take an angle of 30. Add a line. I am giving the name A, B and C. Now bisect it. Like this. Mark the point. So we have bisected it. Now here it's given that the radius of the circle is 2 centimeter. So we have to take 2 centimeter in a rounder like this and just make an arc over here in this way. Same here. just make a straight line. Now, so here they intersect, so that will be the point. Now from that point, let's mark two arcs over here. We need to extend these lines a little bit more. Mark the point, connect to the center. So here we have got a radius 2 centimeter. You can just check it with your scale. It's 2 centimeter. Take it in your rounder. And start making a circle. So here we have got a circle of radius 2 centimeter. It's touching both the sides. Let's write the measurements. 30 degree. Here you can write it 2 centimeter because it's a radius. Give a point name O, A, B and C. This point will be P. So like this, it's done. Let's move on to the next. Now here, let's see the question. To inscribe 3 equal semicircles in an equilateral triangle, each semicircle touching one side of a triangle and their diameters to be adjacent. So draw an equilateral triangle with the one side 5 centimeter. So all the sides of this triangle is 5. Now we have to inscribe 3 equal semicircles, each to touch one side of the triangle and their diameters to be adjacent. So what we need to do, we will make a triangle, then 5 centimeter sides. We will bisect. We will do the bisection of all the angles. We will get a center point. Then we will take point D, bisect that. Wherever it touch, we will take that as a radius and we will make a circle. We have did similar type of question before, while doing this and this question. Same way here. Then we will make the square, the circle. Then we will join point this and this, and we will connect it with a triangle. Then take this as a center point, take this as a radius and make a semicircle, so that we will get it perfect. So let's do it. Let's draw a 5 centimeter line. I'm going to take a line little bit long, and on that I will take 5 centimeter. Now here you can take 5 centimeter in your rounder. Mark an arc from both the dots. You will get triangle. Perfect. Just check all sides are equal. Yes, all sides are 5 centimeter. So the center of phi will be 2.5. You can simply mark it with the scale directly like this. Now I will take this point, same here. Mark the point. Now here we have got the center. Now we need a radius for the inside circle, so we will bisect this angle. Make small arcs. So we have got a point here. Connect it. Now we will take this as a radius. And make the circle. Now we have got the circle. Just mark these dots. Connect it. Make a triangle. Now we have to take this as a radius and we have to make a semicircular curve in this way. Similarly do all other sides. So like this we have made all the semicircles. Give them the names A, B, C, D. You can give them E1, E2 and E3 to the triangle Q and P. Center will be O. Measurements you can write 5 centimeter. All sides are same. Like this, it's done. Let's see the next question. Now here in a given square, to inscribe 4 equal semicircle, each one to touch 2 sides of the square and the diameters to be adjacent. So let's first construct a square of 5 centimeter. Question number 18. Make a line, take 5 centimeter. You can use a protractor for 90-degree angle. Connect it. Five centimeter, mark it. So here we have got a square, all sides are 5 centimeter. Now let's connect the corners. Now mark the center, it will be 2.5 on all the sides. Connect that as well. Check that it's going through the center point. In this way. Now we will take this point, let's give the name first. We will take this angle, bisect that. Take your scale, mark the point and make a line. Like this. Mark this point, give it a name, point E. Now from point E, we have to make a perpendicular. So take a rounder. I'm marking arcs on both sides. Mark the dots. Now we have got a point here. Now we have to take point O and let's give a name Y. O and Y as a radius and make a circle. Like this. Now we have to fit 4 semicircles. So we have to take this part. Now we have the circle. We have to use this line. Let's make it little bit dark. Like this. This will be the diameter of our semicircle. Like this we will make a semicircle. Same here, connect it. Now just mark these points. make semicircles like this, next 3 also. Now give them the names A, B, C, D, O. Let's give a P, R, Q, Y, O and E. Write the measurements 5 cm all sides. If we are using a normal pencil, just check that it's nicely sharpened. If it is not sharp, you will not get the arcs or the curves perfect. So moving on to the 19th question, we have to inscribe a semicircle in a sector. Inscribe a semicircle in a sector with an angle of 35 degree and the radius 5 cm. So previously we have done a circle. Now we have to do a semicircle. Let's make an angle of 35 degrees. Mark a point anywhere. 35. Make a line. Slightly extend it more. Now let's bisect. Mark the point. Slightly extend it more. Now the measurement is given 5 cm. So we have to take 5 cm in our rounder now. Make an arc like this. Now take this point, mark it O. Now we have to make a perpendicular. So place your rounder on O, mark 2 arcs like this, perpendicular, same down. Connect it. Now we want a semicircle here. So we will take this point, bisect it. You can place it in this way. Let's take a O, mark an arc, or you can just make a complete arc like this. Take the line. Now here we have got a point. Now you can take your rounder, mark it, same on other side, and just make a straight line here. Like this. Now take your rounder, place it here, take this as a radius, and complete the semicircle. Like this. Give the names D, A, E, F, O. Here you can give G, G1 like that. I will just give this a name D. O is already given. Just mark 35 degrees here in this way. Now moving on to the last question, 20. In a given circle, inscribe 4 equal semicircles, each to touch the circumference and their diameters to be adjacent. So in a circle of radius 4 centimeters, so we have to take a radius 4, inscribe 6 equal semicircles, each to touch the circumference of a given circle and the diameter to be adjacent. Here it's 4 semicircles, not 6, 4 semicircles. It's a printing mistake. So let's start. First I will make a line, take a point on it. We have to take 4 centimeter in our rounder now and make a circle. Now we will take these 2 points. We want the center line also. So just mark these points. You can take more than half centimeter. Mark a point up. Mark an arc like this. Connect. Now, after this, we will take these 2 points, mark an arc, do it for all the sides. Now connect it. Check that it's going from the center dot. Now here we have to make a perpendicular. We have to make an angle just like we did for the previous sum. In the same way, take a rounder, place it here, mark 2 arcs on sides, bisect it. Now take this point. First let's give the names. Let's give a point D. This will be O. Take this 90-degree angle, make a 45 angle here, bisect it. this. Now here we have got a point. Now we have to take O and let's give a name G, O and G as a radius, and make a circle. Like this. Now we have to make 4 equal semicircles. So we will connect these points and we will make a square. Just mark the points like this. Connect them. Now we have to take this as a radius and we have to make a semicircle. Now let's give it the names. I am giving O1, O2, O3, O4. Let's take the rounder. Just check that it's sharpened, or else sharp it again if the point is not that pointed. Just sharp your pencil so that you will get it accurate. In this way. It's perfectly touching all the sides. Check that all the names are given. Now to these points, the square, I will give G1, G2, G3 and G4. So in this way all the questions are done. So just practice all these 20 questions before you go for exam, so that you will be able to do. Similar questions will come in the exam, just the measurements and the names will be changed. So they are easy, so you can definitely do it if you practice all. So, and after this there will be a solid geometry questions. I will make another video, separate video for this all questions. This is also very easy, just practice it. And then there is a lettering. So I hope this video is helpful for you all, and do let me know in the comment section if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will try to make more and more videos regarding elementary and intermediate drawing grade exam. So I have just started with the geometry portion. If you want me to make any video regarding any topic, any specific topic which you feel that it's difficult, just mention it in the comment section. I will definitely try to make a video on that. So thank you so much everyone. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much everyone, and all the best for your exams. Thank you.